Hello and welcome to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. Today I'm doing part 11 in the series where I show you the gear that I use when I go out and do live shows. But before I begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the videos, share them with your friends, and please comment. It helps my channel out tremendously. Thank you. Now today I want to talk about monitors. Whenever I'm doing a show, like a bar and grill or an outdoor venue or a wedding or something like that, I use floor monitors. And I can have the volume at a relatively decent level. But whenever I'm doing shows like supper clubs or nursing homes, I have to have the volume considerably lower. All right? So that's when I use in-ear monitors. Now, some people like in-ear monitors. They use them all the time. But they can be really expensive. You're looking at a couple $100, maybe more. You got to get it form-fitted to your ears, all that jazz, and some people just cannot afford it. So there are cheaper alternatives out there. And the best one that I've seen, that I bought, is the Behringer, put it up here, Behringer Powerplay P1 Personal In-Ear Monitor Amplifier. Alright? Now, this is not a wireless in-ear monitor system. This connects to your mixer. Alright, let me show you what it looks like. It's relatively small, not that big. Alright, let me show you the front. There you go. You have your mono stereo mode. You have the balance, left and right, and of course your volume button. It does have a built-in limiter so you don't blow your eardrums out, so please be careful. And of course you have an input for your headphones. In the back, you have an on-off switch. You have a plug-in right there. And of course you have your XLR inputs, and they're female XLRs, okay? Look at the bottom, you have a clip for if you want to put it on your guitar strap, and of course you have a threaded hole here for if you want to put it on a stand. Alright? Now if you don't have the cord, you can also use a battery. Okay? No problem. I like to use the battery because I don't like to have the cords. So, and like I said, this is not a wireless in-ear monitor system. And you can't use wireless headphones also. You have to have your regular run-of-the-mill headphones. Okay? So, let's go ahead and get this set up and we'll show you. Alright, this is what you're going to need to hook up this in-ear monitor system to your mixer. Now, you're going to need a wire that has a 1/4 inch on one side and an XLR on the other side. Preferably a male. This is a female. But I have an adapter that you can get relatively cheap, about $3 to $5. You got a male on each side. Hooks into here, just like that. What you're going to do, let me turn this around here. There we go. Like I said, you got two female inputs on the back. You want to use your left for the mono, just like that. Turn it on. So you can see that you've got a green light on. Alright. Now this 1/4 inch end is going to go into your mixer, into the auxiliary out, whether it be a main or a monitor. So, you have a mixer here, you got a main out, and you have a control room out, which is also your monitors. You also have a phone jack, so for your headphones. So you can also use that. So we'll just plug that into the headphones. Now, and that's pretty much it. All you got to do now is hook up your headset. Just like that. Make sure you can get a headset with a long wire. This one is kind of short, but if you can get one with a long wire or an adapter, that'd be great. And basically just hook it right in like that, and you start playing. Make sure that you have this close to you, to the side or something like that, so this is not getting in the way. Or for some people that have it on the guitar strap, it comes up underneath their arm and in here. That way you're not hitting it. Okay? And that's pretty much it. Like I said, if the volume is too low, you can raise it up. Make sure you put, I would set this at like maybe halfway up, and then use this to adjust the volume. Okay? Now, that's the Behringer Powerplay P1 in-ear monitor system. I hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, you're not going to be able to hear it, but that's okay. At least you know how to set it up. Like I said, it's a relatively easy setup. All you need is a couple of wires, maybe an adapter, and a pair of headphones, regular run-of-the-mill headphones. Alright, and I'm going to leave the links below where you can get all this stuff. Alright, or go to your local music store and get it there. That's probably your best bet. That way you don't have to wait a couple days for shipping or whatever. Or if you shop online exclusively, well then just get it then. Maybe you can get next day shipping for free or something. But like I said, that's the in-ear monitor. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Jason from Jason's Acoustic Workshop. Take care of yourselves. Practice at least an hour a day. And I'll see you in part 12.